Okay, my theme is fire safety at home. And the reasons about why I choose that is because I think it has a very close relationship with everyone. Everybody is likely to face the fire, and many people get hurt or lose their life in the fire. So this basic fire safety knowledge can save our life sometimes. And second, I think we should not only know how to save life in a fire, but also try our best to avoid this kind of accidents. So we should have the fundamental knowledge about how to prevent the house fire. And about my theme, I will introduce uh, the list of things, and there are some examples, like how to use a fire extinguisher correctly, and how to prepare a fire escape plan, and what things may lead to fire, like careless disposal of cigarettes and unattended candles and cooking accidents.